One lucky freshman has been selected to lead out to the Star-Spangled Banner, and this year's freshman is...
Skidmore local, Trina McLeod.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed as twilight's gleaming, the bombs bursting